Hi everyone! I'm gonna show you my foundation routine. Are you ready? Before you add any makeup, you need to prime your face. The purpose of a face primer is to enhance the appearance of makeup and increase the longevity. The primer will also help your makeup stay on all day. Next, put on a coat of foundation. Use a foundation brush or a damp beauty sponge to apply your foundation. Next is applying your concealer. The purpose of concealer is to even out an uneven skin tone as a result of blemishes or dark under eye circles. Now I'm going to set my foundation and concealer. I'm contouring under my cheekbones, in the hollows of my cheeks, on the side of my nose, and under my jawline. And after putting blush, highlight the deepest areas of your face. And that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.